Pinky has to sneeze? I mean, you're right next to a tissue box. Why would you be right next to a tissue box if you don't have to sneeze? Oh. You have to sneeze? Or no? Or you just over here because the tissue's over here? Aw, little Pinky wants to be on YouTube. Yes, she does. Yes, she does. Yes, she does. Oh, little Pinky's trying to use the tissue box incorrectly. How adorable. Is little Pinky rubbing her face against the screen? You're so cute.